this assessment gives a few statements and asks which we agree with. And again, I'm going to look at this from my perspective when I was starting out as an organic chemistry student. There are others, I'll just do these three. By doing well in organic, I'll prove that I am smart enough to become a physician, because that was my career goal at the time. I probably would have agreed with that statement. I'm a naturally gifted test taker. I did do well on standardized exams. I don't know that so I would have said I was naturally gifted at that. I don't know if I would have applied that to all tests. I had to do work for those. Math has always come easy to me. Before I took organic, I absolutely would have said yes to that question. Then I took Calc 2 and realized that math does not come easy to me, at least that level of math didn't. More important than whether we agree with these statements or not, let me tell you why we shouldn't agree. This course isn't going to show you how smart you are, right? Smart or intelligence, we kind of treat that as that fixed characteristic. You either are smart or you're not. You're a naturally gifted test taker or you're not. Math comes easy to you or it doesn't, right? Ignore all of that stuff because that's kind of defeating, right? It's defeating to think about it in that way. Math may not come easy to you, but it can through work, through practice. A naturally gifted test taker, well, gosh, if only naturally gifted test takers did well on tests, we'd have far fewer people doing organic chemistry. You can improve. You can improve as a test taker. You can improve at math. You can become better at organic, right? I may be smart enough to do organic chemistry for becoming a physician, but what about everything else, right? So smart kind of encapsulates this, I know everything about everything, and I have knowledge about organic, and that knowledge can be gained through hard work, and that will help me stay on track, maybe. But really what's going to matter more for my career goal, whether it's a college professor or becoming a physician or whatever it may be, is are you able to do the hard work? Are you able to do the problem solving? Are you able to develop the time? Are you able to manage your time? Are you able to prioritize in a way that is healthy and taking care of yourself? I think that's what this question, this assessment is really getting at, is taking out that fixed mindset of smartness and naturally gifted and always come easy, to realize that you can fix this, you can improve, you can grow. And that's what organic chemistry is going to challenge you to do. When you struggle in the beginning, what do you do to grow? How do you help yourself go from a novice organic chemistry student to an expert organic chemistry student? It's not going to be relying on whatever natural gifts you hope you have. It's going to be how you develop what you have, how you take that talent and through effort build on it. And all of you can do that. Does it take time? Yes. Does it take energy? Yes. Does it take effort? Absolutely. But everybody can do that. Nobody is just not cut out for organic chemistry. Dispel that myth. Take that out of your vocabulary. You're not naturally talented or not naturally not talented for organic chemistry. You can do it. How do I know? Because I did. My first two exams, a C and a D, I would have easily looked like, oh, I'm just not an organic chemistry student. And yet, through figuring out how to study, and I'll plug my own organic chemistry professor for helping me with that, by finding that person, those people, those groups to help you figure out how you should be approaching this, you'll be successful too.